Hello and welcome you to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to remove background from any image, from any object of your choice. And of course, I am Coach Joy. So let's get started. So for you to remove background from your image or object, all you need to do is head down to your photo room, click on it. Alright. So just go back. You can see start from photo here. Click on start from photo. So just allow it to open up. So I have several images here. Let me just use a random image. Let me just take this, that's this background. So I select it. You can see the background is gone. The background is gone. So now here, after I done removing the background, and again, one amazing thing about what's it called, photo room, is that sometimes when you remove background for, you can see options. So you can see classics, you can see start from blank canvas, you can see edit photo, classics, whatever you want. You can see other amazing options here, but that's not what I want. I just want to remove the background, and that is it. So you can see here now what I was showing you. It has given it another background, but that isn't what I want to achieve with this. So I just want the transparent background. I just want the background removed. So what I need to do is just, you can see export. So let me check my gallery if the image is saved. You can see the image is without a background. The image is without a background. So that is successfully done. So you remove the background. So now click done. So let us try out another picture again. Start from photo. I hope you are following. Start from photo. Let me pick another image. Let me pick this. This. You see, background is gone. What are you doing here? Coming, right? So you can see the background is gone here. So you can see all you need to do is to click this export. But now for you to be sure that the background is actually gone, all you need to do is to come to this top where you see before and after. So you can see before the background was removed and after the background was removed. So that's it. So you click export and the image is saved to your gallery, just like we did the previous one. So now this is not all there is in removing background or removing objects from your images. There are other available tools. In fact, most people don't use photo room because they feel that it will not keep the quality of the image they want. So now let me show you other tools you can use to remove background from your image. Alright, so just head down to your browser. Right, head down to your browser and search background remover. So when you type background remover, you can see it will give you different options to remove background. This is online, right? This is online. This is not all. So how you need to do is to just click this remove BG. You click upload image. So let's just pick any image from here. You click this and done. Then you can see, just wait and see what happened next. You can see it's removing the background now. You can see the background is gone. It's gone. So you can see all you need to do is to click download. You can see here there are different options. We have this max and we have this free. You click the free, but the thing is that this max quality is usually far better than the free. So usually far better than the free. So that's all about using this, right? That is the BG remover. Let's go back and check another tool. So there's another tool here. You can see this Slazer free BG remover. You can also use it. It's also an amazing tool to use. So see the, so you can see this remover AI. You can see, okay, yeah, this was one I was talking about before. So let's click on it. It's still the same process. You upload the image. Right? Look for another image. Okay, let's try this. You can see. So you can see the background is gone. What you just need to do, you can see the before and after here. That's before, that's after. What you need to do, you can see this one still give you the free download quality. You can see this HD quality. You can see this crown icon here. Don't near it, because once you click on it, it will take you to the options where you are expected to pay before you can download the high quality one. So all we can stick with is this free download, right? So but now, using all this, all I've showed you so far and many more we have here, if you just let me go back just a moment, just scroll down, many more here can be used to remove background from your images. But with the free one that can give you the best quality so far, which is still free, it is what I call the pixel cut. I hope I'm correct with the spelling. I hope I'm correct. Let me see. Let me just open it and see. No, this is not it. Okay, yeah, I'm correct. Correct. So when it comes to the pixel cut, one amazing thing about this pixel cut is that you can see free HD download, no watermark. It gives you a better quality of the image. So like once you click this upload image now, bring in whatever image you want. Let me bring in this. So now what is next? You come to this up here and download it. So you can see different options here. You can see you can still get a full, you can see this is you can get a full, well, not full, you can get a far better quality. Or all you need to do is just sign in to download the free far better quality. But for me, this is far better because it retains the quality. It gives you a far better quality than those other free ones I've showed you so far. So let me go to my gallery. let's just compare what we've done so far. So you can see here, this was from, and see, so the last one we did now. So you can see the face is far brighter even despite you zoom it. That was the one we did on Pixel coat. So this was the one we did on which one, sir? Did on I think we did on BG remover, and yes, the BG remover. You can see it's having the blur kind of look. So that's all about removing background from your images. So these are tools available that you can use anytime, any day. All you need to do is just use all of them, try out all of them, and know the one that work best for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you are sure you enjoy this video, ensure you like, comment, and tell us what you learned from the video. I remain Coach Joy. Have a nice day. In our next video, I will be showing you. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Ensure you like, share, and comment. And remember to tell us what you learned from the video, and all the tools we used. Just try out all of them and tell me, and let me know the one that worked best for you. I remain Coach Joy. Bye bye.